Hundreds of citizens came together on Friday to demand justice for Hudderfield Rymbui, who lost his life in a hit-and-run case involving a police escort vehicle that was reportedly part of a VIP cavalcade of Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh on November 15. The candlelight vigil at Malki Ground had a common point of discussion that the people responsible for the death of Hudderfield should be punished as per the law.
Pakai rule kapag kita iban board kala don na do uan hajar khatlai ndrei kini kim sunyo kita ki an. We don't need a rule, we need Hudderfield's law on safety for citizens on the streets. That is the bare minimum, a law.
Kani hale kadai ka jing tumu kai baja. Whatever happens for a reason. Maybe kani ka jingja kawan kanang mangin play ki khamar jongi. Enough of the VIP culture.
The Meghalaya government has initiated